I'm scared. I'm scared. Stop. And I was sitting there thinking, I'm like, we gonna forget something.
Take a career in personal fitness, and then that career in personal.
Walmart. We still got aisles to go, and then we didn't even go through the freezer section yet. So these are the ones we need to wax that ass.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're telling me cash it.
the park. Gonna go for a run. So it's run when I come out of my forehead. Did I bring my phone? I had it in my hand. Hey, stop pushing me. You get on the car. Like this. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Bruh, I feel like if I spin, I'm gonna hit my head. Babe. I'm scared. I'm scared. Stop! Why would you fart in that position? Do this. Like this. But I don't want to post you. Dang, you're looking so famous. Nah, I do look, bro. You need to be on this tall one. Bro, it's not me. Bring your legs up. Come on, do it. Can you draw this? Yeah, please. Get out, come out, you better save me. Is you laughing on dead serious? Oh. Be careful. Babe, I don't know how to get down. How I'm gonna get down? I got you. Just trust me. You almost there. Hold on. I gotta sit. On this one. I might as well spend the night. I'm just gonna organize the bathroom and yeah.
I'm gonna throw up the sex in the and I can put you in. I can put you in. I'm gonna throw up the sex in the and I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Trying to come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got Plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in the
Now, this room, it's a mess, and it keeps getting a mess because we don't have no organizers. Some of our stuff, let me move this. It look clear. Hey y'all. Okay, we don't have no organizers, and a lot of our stuff is still in bags. And don't mind this calendar. We already ready for next year. Honestly, when you in Dollar Tree, you just be buying shit.
And I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now, damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am. Okay.
It's so cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want this, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala.
Alright, I'm taking y'all to the living room.
Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I know this the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl so funny to me. That's why you didn't go left by one time. Got tired of you.
Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty much done. I just gotta pick up this stuff on the couch and then probably finish off with the kitchen. Did the bathroom. I organized a little bit in the room. And I'm gonna just leave it at there. I'll just come back to you guys tomorrow. I'm just gonna go ahead and get in the shower and feed Asante. I'll probably have him take out the trash tomorrow when he goes to school in the morning. Because I was gonna just go out and watch him, but I don't know, it's too dark out there, so I'll just come back to you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
What's up, y'all? I just left the dentist. We're currently at Michael's right now. But I know in the last video I said I got a feeling I did get it at the top, and today they did it at the bottom. And my lip, it's like I can barely talk. But my whole, it feels numb to my ear. That's normal. Look at y'all, this big tree. Ooh. But yeah, it's numb from here to here. Like when my mouth was open and like she was doing it, like my jaw started getting like locked. Oh! That just scared me. It would be. You think this one? Nah.
My instinct gonna lead me to it.
There you go. You need the big ones. Fat guy, fat boy. So these are the ones we need to wax that ass.
On to the NFL, decided to take a career in personal fitness, and then that career in personal fitness took me over to tax strategy. As a tax strategist, I get to sit in front of a lot of tax
Players who have a wide variety of different tax returns. Some are celebrities, entrepreneurs, your everyday working individual. But one thing is common. The conversations that I have with wealthy entrepreneurs are different from the conversations that I have with the poor and middle class. And if you're trying to escape the rat race, some of these 30% of it I had to adopt in order to get out of the rat race was I had to stop copying broke and poor people behavior. Now,
Alright, so y'all, we couldn't go into Aldi's because they was taking only cash, so we gotta go to Walmart. For some reason, they come out all the Aldi's in the area.
It's a sign that Walmart.
Yeah, because we was, no, Aldi's is cheaper. Everybody know Aldi's cheaper. Y'all comment down below if Aldi's cheaper than Walmart. Which one do y'all prefer? But I know that Walmart, they have more options. They talking about all the Aldi's in the area, they are not taking card. Because we were going to go to another Aldi's, but Walmart is right across the street, so we might as well just go there. Walmart, Wally World. So, we needed pineapples. That's the season. But yeah, we got all the vegetables. Yeah, all the healthy stuff, and then she's marking it off the list. That's the next aisle. How long we got? We got everything from this aisle? Oh, we need to go to the bread since it's over here. Okay, so y'all, we gotta look for the cereal. Which cereal was it? Wasn't it the Sesame granola? It was this one, right? Yeah. So we got looking up at y'all. Look at our basket. This is an update. We still got aisles to go, and then we didn't even go through the freezer section yet. I'm looking for this thing over here. I want this week. We got this one, but Oh, we done with another ice cream. So we done shopping. We just put everything in the trunk. Sorry I didn't come back to y'all because there was a lot going on. We spent $439. It's because the only reason why we spent that much is because we got Thanksgiving food and we got the food that we usually get. Yeah, that's my favorite yogurt. It tastes like ice cream. And it's whole milk French style. They have different flavors too. But my favorite is the strawberry and the vanilla. I'll be back from Wally World. We went grocery shopping for Thanksgiving and for regular shopping. So that's why we got a lot of stuff. And I'm just gonna unpack everything. I got my pineapple. I've been craving pineapple. Y'all just don't know. Just don't know, just don't know. And we was at Walmart the whole time and we forgot to get dish soap. That's why the dishes is like piled up. And I was sitting there thinking, I'm like, we gonna forget something. Something we gonna forget. So for Thanksgiving, we kind of gonna switch it up a little bit and not make like the traditional thing. We are gonna make some traditional things. Of course, the macaroni. You can't miss out on the mac and cheese. So the mac and cheese, and then we're making deviled eggs, typical. But instead of turkey, we're gonna be making chicken wings. So we're gonna make hot wings and ranch wings. So that's gonna be the meat. Then of course we're gonna make the banana pudding for the dessert and Cajun shrimp and sausage pasta. Oh, they finally had our sourdough bread at Walmart. At first they only had one, but we got 3 of them things because we love making sandwiches. And sourdough bread is good for your good. It's the OOTD. Pretty chill. Got my crop comb in sports mode. Yeah, I had to run to Dollar General real quick to get some soap. What's up, y'all? It's later on in the day. I had just woke up from a nap. It's currently 7:54. So I'm gonna go ahead and end out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I do try to post vlogs every single week. Right now I'm about to cook dinner real quick because I was supposed to cook it a little earlier. But like I said, I ended up falling asleep. Peace. And don't forget to subscribe.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying.
Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she loved me so much, it seemed like she...